Yeah, how was sort of Welsh music in sort of like through the Welsh language received in Europe, and was there a difference in that? And maybe like in the UK, was there differences there?
Right, now that's an excellent question. On one level, I'm thinking of doing a concert in the Czech Republic or something, how much they would have been aware of the Welsh language. So when you go to a club and there's 500 kids jumping around there, do they actually realise that you're singing in Welsh? And the answer is half of them probably didn't. And some of them may have read a fanzine or heard a radio interview and might have been aware. Some of them might not even know where Wales was. And I think that varied from country to country. In Britain or the UK, a lot of them knew us through the John Peel show. So when we went to Newcastle, they would have heard the Peel sessions. So they knew we were that Welsh language band and they knew what we were about. And they knew because we'd played with Chumbawamba or Joe Strummer or whatever it was, they would know roughly what the politics was.
When the stock make a goals, whatever good it was, I'm empty to pass on.